watching Nama channel.
Okay, now we see grade 8 first chapter rational number. Chapter 1 rational number. So rational number is also is of the form in fraction. Okay, so rational number, it includes natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, fractions, and converse of this may not be is equal to rational number. These are including under rational numbers. These are all including under rational numbers. Now we see the definition. Definition: a rational number, a number which can be represented as P by Q form is called rational numbers. Here, which implies P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. A number which can be represented as P by Q form is called a rational number. Already I told rational number is always in the form of a fraction. So example in a P by Q, 1 is a rational number. Yes, 1 can be written in the form divided by 1. So it is in the form of P by Q. So 1 is a rational number, and also 0 is also a rational number because there is no denominator. 1 is the denominator. So Q is not equal to 0. So P by Q, P and Q are integers. So 1 is an integer and 0 is also the integer. So it is also in the form P by Q method. So 1, 0, minus 1, these are all the rational number. And already I told integers also including rational numbers. 1 by 2, minus 1 by 4, and then 7 by 8. These are the examples for rational numbers. And then rational numbers can classified positive rational numbers and then negative rational numbers. Positive rational number is nothing but numerator and denominator having same symbol. Positive rational and then negative rational. So positive rational and negative rational number, numerator and denominator having same symbol, we say it as a positive rational numbers. And then whether numerator and denominator having both having a different symbol, we say it as a negative. For example, plus 1 divided by plus 2 as well as minus 1 divided by minus 2. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus will cancel, we get a positive rational number. Instead of that, minus 1 by 2 or 3 by minus 4. Here the numerator and denominator having a different symbol, plus and minus. So we say it as negative rational numbers. Next we have to see equivalent rational numbers. See equivalent rational numbers. Equivalent rational numbers is equal to equivalent fraction. I just show one box method to split how we compare the rational numbers, equivalent rational numbers. So I will take so many boxes and split it and show you the equivalent fractions. So first one I will split into two equal parts. So 1, 2. So totally 2 equal parts. So 2 equal parts. This is 1 out of 2. This is 1 out of 2. So I didn't look at this one. I will split this one. So you know that this is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. I will split this one into 2 segment. And this one into 2 segment. Now we get 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally we get 4. So this is 1 by 4 and this one 1 by 4 and this one 1 by 4 and this one 1 by 4. Now we compare this two. First one 1 by 2. First one 1 by 2. Next you compare this 1 by 2. The 1 by 2 we have 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 we get 2 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. The next term I have to split this each sections into two equal parts. So we finished this one. And again I have to split this into 2. And again I fixed this one into 2 and this one into 2. Now how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts. So each section we written as 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. So we compare always this 1 by 2 sections. Right. So now we see the 1 by 2 can be split as 2 by 4 and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 8. 4 by 8. And next, now this 1 by 8 can be split into two equal parts. So these are all the parts already we have. So I split this into 2. This one into 2. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Totally 16 parts. So each section we mention 1 by 16. So how many 1 by 16 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 part out of 16. So this one is also equal to this 8 by 16. Again the same way I have to split one into this two sections. So we get here 16 and then here 16, totally 32 parts. Totally we get 32 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So totally 32 parts. We take 16 parts. Now we simplify each and everything. So this can be divided by 1, 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 2 which is equal to 1 by 2. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. It becomes simplified is equal to 1 by 2. 1 8 is 8, 2 8s are 16. This one is also is equal to 1 by 2. 1 16 is 16, 2 16s are 32. This one is also equal to. So all the simplification it becomes 1 by 2. You see that there is no simplification. We can't simplify anymore. So all the values are equal to 1 by 2. So we conclude 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 8 by 16, 16 by 32 and so on. It becomes 32 by 64, 64 by 128, etc. These are all the equivalent fractions. Now we see representation of numbers in number line. So first question, 1 by 3. Solution. So before that, first question 1 by 3, second question 2 by 4, third question 4 by 3. Okay, the first two question in the proper fraction and third question improper fraction. Always proper fractions in between 0 and 1. And in improper fraction more than 1. It between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, like that. Always it should be more than 1. Improper fraction is always a more than 1. So now first question. So always I told you integers is also under rational number. So I have to take minus 1 and then plus 1. Plus 1. Here 1 by 3. So proper fraction is under 0 and 1. I have to split this section into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, already 3 is there. So 1, 2, 3. This is first part, second segment, and then third segment. So now we show it as this is 1 by 3, and then 2 by 3. This is 3 by 3. So 3 segment. 3 by 3 means 1. So now we need 1 by 3. So where is 1 by 3? Here. So I make a round. So now we mention 1 by 3 in number line. And same way, second question 2 by 4. Solution. The same manner, minus 1 plus 1, 0. Now I have to split this section into 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to split into 4 equal parts. So first one written as 1 by 4. 2 by 4, 3 by 4, this should be 4 by 4. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. 4 by 4 means 1. So we have to mention 2 by 4 in number line. 2 by 4. Now here this is improper fraction. First we have to convert this into mixed fraction by as usual method. So 4 by 3, which is equal to, normally we divide 4 by 3. So 1 3 is 3, remaining 1. So quotient remainder divided by divisor. This is the format. So because of that 1 by 3. So already I told improper fraction is always more than 1. So 1 by 3, it indicates 1 more than 1, but it should be less than 2. So this indicate in between 1 and 2. So I will take 0, 1, 2. So I have to split this one into 3 equal parts. So 3 equal parts. So already we know that this is 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So it should be 1 by 3, 2 by 3. That means 5 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, and then 6 by 3. So we mention 4 by 3 here. So it also indicate like this: 0, 1, 2. It's under, it should be 3 equal parts. Should be 1 by 3 and then 2 by 3. In the sense 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 means this is 4 by 3. 1 2 by 3, this means 5 by 3. 1 2 by 3, that means 6 by 3. So now we need a 4 by 3. So 4 by 3, this one. So next question, we have to see how to find out greater and smaller number in rational numbers. To find the greater and smaller rational number, it in 3 types. The type 1, same numerator with a different denominator, and then type 2, same denominator and different numerator, and third type, it should be all are different numerator and different denominator. So first you have to see same numerator with a different denominator. So solution, two by 8 and then 2 by 4. In this 2 type directly we mentioned by seeing numerator and denominator, directly we find out the greater and the smaller. So here which one having less section? 8 is more section, this one is less section. So numerator is same, means here which one is smaller? 4 is smaller. Now we consider denominator same numerator but denominator is different. At that time we consider where is the small denominator, that rational number we consider as a greater one. How it is possible? Because it have a little part and this one have a big part. So because of that I consider 2 by 4 as a bigger one. So I check in a box method. So I will take 2 boxes. So one should I have to split into 4 parts. Second one, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 equal parts. And then first one I divide 8 equal parts. So I divide 8 equal parts. So first one 2 by 8. Out of 8 parts I need only 2 sections. Same 2 sections out of 4 part. So 2 sections out of 4 part. So already I conclude 2 by 4 is the greater one. Now you see which one have which one I shade more. So second one, that is 2 by 4. This is 2 by 8 and this one is 2 by 4. So now the answer is 2 by 4. Next question, same denominator with a different numerator. This one is also very easy to find out. Solution, 3 by 8, 5 by 8. So the denominator are same. So numerator, which one is bigger? This one. So students, now you listen. Same numerator means you have to take denominator is smaller one. You consider as a big rational number, that is a greater one. But denominator is same, numerator as well as which is the bigger number, that rational number as a bigger one. So 3, 5. 5 is a greater. So 5 by 8 is a greater rational number. By checking box method, I have to split this. So I have to split these 2 boxes. I need 3 out of 8. I need 3 out of 8. So this is 3 by 8. Next I need 5 out of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So already you concluded. So which one is the higher? 3 by 8. So already 5 by 8. Already I told 5 by 8 is the greater one. So I shade this one is a more. So answer is 5 by 8. Next we see type 3. Numerator and denominator are different. Type 3. Numerator and denominator are different. So numerator different and denominator different. First we have to convert the different denominator into same denominator by multiplying this denominator to this rational number and this one to this one. So 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 can be multiplied with the 6 and then 5 by 6. 5 by 6 can be multiplied with the 8. Otherwise you have to take LCM for 6 and 8. So 6 3s are 18, 6 8s are 48. 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48. Now we get same denominator. Otherwise we have to take the LCM 6 and 8. 3 by 8 comma 5 by 6. 3 by 8 we find out 18 by 48. 5 by 6 we found out 40 divided by 48. Now 18 by 48, which implies 40 divided by 48. So denominator is same. So which one is the bigger one? 40 is bigger one. So 40 by 48 is greater. So now we conclude 3 by 8, 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 is greater. So I will take two boxes. First one I split into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So next I split into 3 equal parts and I convert that one into 6 equal parts. So now I consider 6 equal part. So first one 8 equal part and second one 6 equal part. First one I want to shade 3 portion. Second one I need to shade 5 equal parts out of 6. So probably we get this one is 3 by 8, this one is 5 by 6. Probably this one is a greater one. Otherwise 3 by 6 and 5 by 8. The same manner I will check in a box method only. 3 by 6 comma 5 by 8. The question comes different. So same manner we take two boxes and split the first one into 6 and second one into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 equal parts. So first one I will need to take out of 6 3. The second one I need to take out of 5. So here also I get 5 by 8 as a answer. 3 by 6, 5 by 8 as a answer, because here 8 6 are 48 and 6 8s are 48. But 8 3s are 24, 6 5s are 30. So now we see 30 is a greater one. So already we get 5 by 8 is a greater.